What up, YouTube? It's me. I said it. I am gonna be here. I'm gonna be consistent. I'm so proud of myself, and I am putting videos up, guys. Thanks to DoorDash, she wakes all of us up. There is a lot of YouTubers, smaller channels that's coming up. Um, Thanks to her, and also a couple other people now that's coming up also. They're doing good. I believe it's the season. Okay, i believe I believe this reaches me the right time. So I want to tell you guys a little bit about myself. So I live in United States. I have 5 kids. I'm a single mom, and I do have a full-time job. So I really love my job, and it's a good job also. But I'm still struggling. I'm still struggling because in the end of the day, it's still one income, right? So kids growing, they need cars, they need college to be paid, the house need repairs. There is so many things, guys. There's so many things that need to be done, and I always wanted to be a YouTuber, and I think this is the right time, and I'm here for a reason, and I'm not gonna stop, guys. I am not gonna stop. I am not gonna stop, especially now YouTube changing and a lot of people blowing up and their channels getting monetized. That literally encouraged me, and I'm not gonna stop, you guys. I am not. I need that break. I need that break. It's always something going on. There's always like, you don't got nobody to lean on but yourself, and these kids are looking up to you. So because of that, I need to stay stronger, and I need to keep moving. I don't got no choice but to keep moving, right? So I need all the single mothers, I need all the ladies or gentlemen, single parents overall, come to my channel so we could grow all together, and come up. And YouTube it pays really good if you are consistent. So I'm gonna be consistent 100%. I'm gonna be consistent. I'm gonna be me, and we all gonna grow together, and we'll exchange ideas and help each other. We are the algorithm, guys. We are it's changing. YouTube is changing, so we have to support each other. We gotta subscribe to each other, and we gotta keep moving, guys. You're gonna get tired of this face. I'm gonna be right here. I'm gonna be right here, guys. I'm not going nowhere, so you might as well get used to my face, okay? But yeah, I'm so happy for a lot of new creators that just came up. And also another thing is that also that I want to do when I get to that is being authentic and the growth. Okay, so I will come back here, and literally after I get monetized and I start making the money, I will literally show you guys how much I'm making from YouTube. I will literally put it up, and I'll show you guys a month after month updates. The bad, the ugly, the good, everything, I'm gonna bring it up, okay? Because I think that also encourage people, and they see that, okay, we do see these creators, these big creators going vacations, flying to one city to another states, countries, and all of this stuff, having these amazing times. And I am so happy for them. I'm literally so happy for them, wallahi. But I wanna be that also, I need to do that too. Why not? Why I cannot do it? I think Allah, God, is telling me to do this, because I always wanted to be a YouTuber. I always have in the back of my head, I always wanted to be a YouTuber, and I wanted to, I love this platform because of the not the consistency, the reliability. Like on the other apps, sometimes they're not like as reliable than YouTube. To be honest, YouTube is where it's at. Like everybody can tell you that, and they will tell you that. And I have a lot of people that also told me that, like, these other apps, as you guys know, TikTok is shaking, right? So we don't know what's going to happen to TikTok. I am on TikTok also, but TikTok is shaking, and we don't know what's happening with the if it's going to be there next year or not. Really, we don't know, because of everybody knows what's going on with TikTok right now. But YouTube is where I want to be, guys. And I'm not gonna stop. I am not gonna stop. At this time, I'm so motivated. Wallah, I'm so motivated. And come on, guys, let's go together. Let's help each other. And I like this energy. I like this energy that's going now. And I was like, God is telling me to go ahead and get this done, because I look and I watch all of the videos and all that stuff, and I'm like, I don't think it's gonna work for me, and da 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 da. And I had 9 subscribers, guys, because this channel, when I opened it, I wanted to upload videos every week, right? But that did not happen. I just end up watching other people's videos and all that stuff, and I didn't put any effort on it, right? I put one video here, one video there, but I was not consistent. But all of these movements that are going on now, plus me going through a lot when it comes to, because I also had a scammers scam me out of some of my money, and literally, like, thank God, I do gain my money back. I did through the community that I was in, thank God. But that teaches me a lesson also, like, hey, you need to have a multiple stream of income, right? I do have my job, and I love my job, and I will be with my job, but I want to have a side jobs, so that's why I want to have a YouTube. Because see, I already have a lot on my plate. I have a lot already. I have a full-time job. I have 5 kids. One of my kids going to college, one is on high school, and 2 are middle school, 1 elementary school. So I'm already full, right? But if I cannot go and get another part-time job and this and that, no, I don't want to do that, but YouTube made that happen and make it easier for people like me, so they could have a second income, or stuff like that. And I really respect that for YouTube. And if you guys are a single parent, single mom, or anything to do with that, you will understand my pain and my frustration. So please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and we'll grow together, and we'll learn together, and we're gonna be on the other side, not a debt, but you know what I mean, the good side of the YouTube, okay, where we're making money, where we have the extra money, and at the same time we have our jobs, or not have our jobs. It don't matter. It depends on everybody's different, but for me, I also like that security. I love to have my job, and at the same time have a YouTube on the side. Can I make YouTube full-time and keep my full-time job? Yes, because all we're doing uploading videos and doing this and that, and yeah, it could happen, and we could make it happen. So why not? So that's what I want to do. I want to do a full-time YouTube and full-time my 9 to 5 job, okay? And That way I could support my kids comfortably. I do support them and we are okay, but it's a lot of things that coming up and a lot of things that unplanned, a lot of things that popping up, and also because I have one kid that's on college now. This is my first time I'm having that, and I'm realizing, oh my God, this is a lot of money because you got to come up with that money too. You got to pay that kid college also. So, and I'm thinking there's 4 more. So I got to be smart about my way I make my money and my incomes and all of that stuff. And yeah, if you are interested in anything like that, go ahead, like my videos, share them, subscribe them. Love you guys. Bye.